Hi everyone, today we will learn how to claim refund if you have old stock in your old partner login. First of all, log into our old partner login link by entering your email ID and password. Then in the navigation bar, click on the DSC and token management, then opt out for stock refund to check your DSC stock. Now you will see the data of your inventory and you are eligible for that unit only, which is mentioned in the eligible DSC category that you have proceeded in the new model of the portal. Now click on stock refund from which you have to take a refund. That's it. Thanks for watching.